What is up, guys, and welcome to the very first Crypto Guru video. Today, I'm gonna provide you guys an easy walkthrough of the steps to buy Etherlite, the brand new ICO of 2021, on Metamask. You can do this on your browser or your phone. The first video will be how to do it on your browser. Let's jump right into the content. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified on other videos that I'm gonna be posting, and share this with your friends. If it helps you, it's gonna help them tremendously. All right, guys, the first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna add metamask.io. And we're gonna click over on MetaMask, click download now, and install MetaMask for Chrome. Now click add to Chrome and add extension. Click get started, click create a wallet. Can give them your information if you want. I'm just gonna say no. Now create a password. Now I've filled in my password. I'm gonna go click create, agree to terms of use, and create. Now I'm going to write down this secret phrase. Make sure that you keep track of it. Do not lose this, or else you will not be able to access your wallet. All right, guys, not hard so far. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna write down the seed word phrase, which is basically 10 to 12 words, and we're going to write them down and put them in the same order that they showed them to us on the previous screen. Then we're going to click confirm. Now, if you guys did this correctly, you should have this screen right here with the congratulations, and we're gonna click all done. You're going to have a wallet address. So your wallet should look like this. We have our ETH over here that's empty. We need to buy ETH. We need to do a couple steps to add the token, and we have to add the mainnet address. Congratulations, you guys now have a MetaMask wallet, your first wallet most likely. Now I'm gonna show you how to load it with Ethereum through your bank or your debit card. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go click on the buy button, and you can buy either with wire, which I've done before, or you can direct deposit Ether. So I'm gonna continue to wire. Now you have a choice, card payments or Apple Pay. I'm gonna go with card payment. Then I'm going to down here to authorize wire. I have to enter the amount of ETH that I want to buy. I'm gonna do a small little purchase just to show you guys, 100 bucks. There we go. Now if you look at my transaction fee of $5, my network fee of $1.52, and my total purchase is gonna be $106.52. So I'm going to authorize, and I'm going to click next. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in all my information, address, everything. It's like basically a small KYC. So I'm gonna get that done, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to enter the 6-digit verification code that they sent to our cell phone, or the cell phone that you gave on the number on the previous page. Authorize transaction. So now what you're going to do is you're gonna look through your pending bank transaction for the 6-digit number on the thing, and it should be like a 10-cent charge. Once you've authorized the order, you have your completed transaction. So now you'll notice that I have $100 in ETH. So that is the first step. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the browser and type in etherlite.org. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna go to Etherlite Home and see it connected. It actually connected my wallet already, but you're supposed to, once you hit the button connect, you should have these two things showing your wallet and the amount of ETH that you have. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the mainnet address. So we're gonna click the menu button, and we're gonna scroll over here and click on mainnet, and we're gonna click add main network. We're gonna scroll down to approve and switch network. Now you've added the Etherlite network. Are you guys with me so far? We're almost there. Now we just have to add the token address into our MetaMask, so our tokens that we buy, our Ether tokens, will actually show in our MetaMask. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that now. Scroll up to this little puzzle piece up here. We're gonna click on this, and we're gonna go to MetaMask. There we go. Now see, it says Etherlite main network. 0 ETL, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the token, and I'm going to give you guys the address in the link down below my video. So we're gonna click add token, paste that address from the link down below. Into, and see how it filled in the ETH and it filled in the decimals of precision. Then we click next and add tokens. And now, see, now you have ETH and Etherlite. Now what's really important on this step, make sure you guys click down and put it on the Ethereum mainnet, because that's where you're gonna buy your Etherlite, not on the Etherlite mainnet. That's where you're gonna see your Etherlite. So we're gonna click this, switch it over to Ethereum. So now we have access to our Ethereum, and now we can go shopping on the etherlite.org. Okay, so now we're gonna click menu button. Menu takes us back, and we're gonna click home. Back to the Etherlite main page. We have our wallet connected, and now we're just going to put in the referral. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just delete in our browser, and we're going to Command V, the link I gave you, and we're going to enter it. And now, if you look, see how there's a referral address in there? Now the person that gave you the referral will get credit also. We're almost done. So now, as you can see, the current price is 95 cents, and this shows the volume from when it started at 15 cents, and it's all the way up here already. So now we're just gonna put in the amount of ETH that we want. We have 0.3 to work with. We'll try 0.02, and we'll click it, and it says we're gonna get 57 ETH for our 0.02. I'm gonna click down here by ETH. Remember, make sure that we're on the Ethereum mainnet. That is important. Oh, I thought it said gas fee $65. I was like, holy crap. And then we're gonna confirm, and you just bought your ETH. You're going to see right there, it's going to spin around for a little bit until it actually, till the transaction goes through. So just wait for that. Our transaction should have gone through. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click this little button up here, click on MetaMask, and see how it's pulled the ETH. It pulled the $60, and we might even have it in our wallet already. So we're gonna click down to Ethereum main network, and there we go, 57 ETH. Now that you've bought ETH, now if you guys copied the link at the bottom of the page on the etherlite.org page, you guys will get a 5% referral of free coins in your wallet for everybody that purchases based on your link. Congratulations, you guys. You just bought yourself some ETH of one of the fastest growing ICOs of 2021, the Ethereum hard fork. If this video helped you, make sure you guys leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll try to keep putting out valuable content for you guys. I've seen a lot of people that need a lot of help with this, and hopefully this solves some issues for you. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching.